Right in front of me is a swan, one that I've never seen before, and one that I don't adore because he seems deadly.
I'm not deadly, just a little bit headly. Looking for food I am, and my name is Sam.
Sam, take this tomato as a source of food and nourishment, and please never come here again.
But why must we distance ourselves?
Will talking swans scare me